Hey everyone, how you all doing? Welcome back to Fergie's Kitchen. Thank you guys for tuning into my channel. Today I'm going to make some zucchini loaf. This little loaf pan, I'm gonna make some zucchini loaves. And here's my ingredients for today. This is my flaxseed, my spelt flour, baking powder, avocado, cinnamon, salt, allspice, vanilla extract, and some orange essence. I'm gonna use lemon for my lemon zest. Here's my zucchini, orange peel powder. Raisins are optional. I don't know how my daughter's gonna go with this one because she don't like raisins. Baking soda, some sugar. I'm using turbana sugar, some almond milk, and some butter to grease my can, and some walnuts. Did I say spelt flour? I think I did. And salt. So this is my ingredients for today, guys. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Fergie's Kitchen. I'll see you in a minute. With my oven set at 350 degrees, I'm going to sift in my dry ingredients. Here are my loaves. I'm putting them in. Remember, it's at 350 degrees, and it should take around 60 to 7 minutes if you're doing a whole loaf like a bread. But these are just a little loaf, so it will take like 40. I'm gonna check it in 40 minutes. All right, and I'll see you soon. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Fergie's Kitchen. So my FK gang, the end of another segment. Here is your zucchini loaf. And this is plant-based. Guys, everyone can have it. They are just good. And you don't feel and you don't feel bad about eating it. All right, I know there's sugar in it, but it's not much. Anyway, I hope you enjoy. As you know, the end of every segment, I have my Bible scripture and my motivation message. And guys, today's scripture will be from St. John 3, verse 1 to 8, and from 13 to 16. When you read all those scriptures combined together, the message is telling you that because God is powerful, change is possible. All right? And from Fergie's Kitchen to you guys today, you are loved when you are born. You will be loved when you die. So guys, in between, you just have to manage. All right? Thank you guys for tuning in today. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Fergie's Kitchen. Fergie love you guys. Enjoy. Bye-bye.